In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to denoise grainy video in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have a really grainy video right here, so I would like to denoise that. And to do that, I just simply need to go here into Fusion. And basically, you just need to press the Control plus the Space key on your keyboard. And then you'd be able to go here into the Select Tool option. And what we want from here is the denoise option. So basically go for noise reduction. Click on that and click on add. And now if it's not connected automatically, just like this one, you would need to connect it manually. So just drag this endpoint to the start point of noise reduction, and then the start point of noise reduction to media out. And then once you have that, you would want to go here to noise reduction and go into the inspector tab. Increase the threshold to the maximum value. Next is that you want to go here for the threshold on spatial threshold and just increase it accordingly until the grain is gone as you like it. So let's say that I go for 30 and it's looking already quite good. So I'm satisfied with this. And be careful to not go too high because it would also diminish the details on your video. So that's it on how you'd be able to do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.